How to close a Twilio sub account. In this video, I'll show you how to close a Twilio sub account. So to get started, go ahead and open Twilio.com into your browser. And then in here, go ahead and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click on the console tab. And then inside the console tab, you will be able to get redirected into this section. So in here, go ahead and click on this top left corner of your screen and then click on view all sub account, and then inside this you'll be able to find the sub account that you have. So go ahead and click on general settings from here, and then under general settings, go ahead and enter the code first that you receive on Gmail to confirm that you're accessing your account settings. Paste the code that you've received on your Google Mail registered for this Twilio account, and then click on verify. And then once you're on the general settings, go ahead and scroll down at the very bottom of this page. So in here, go ahead and scroll down and then click on this close sub account button to close the sub account, and then check the necessary checkboxes in here and click on close sub account to confirm closing the sub account for your account. And that is how you can basically close a sub account on Twilio. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.